Nutri vegetable roasty. Two cups of soaked rice for 5 hours to boiled potatoes. 1 teaspoon of ginger, chili paste, salt as per taste, 1 teaspoon of zira, half tsp of black pepper, 1 no sachet to chopped carrots, 1 chopped onion, 1 chopped capsicum, half cup chopped cabbage, 2 chopped green chilies, few chopped curry leaves, 1 teaspoon of dill. Add rice into the jar and grind it. Add boiled potatoes. Add some water. Pour the batter in a bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Add 1 teaspoon of ginger, chili paste. Add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Add half tsp of black pepper powder. Add chopped onion. Add chopped carrot. Add chopped capsicum. Add chopped cabbage. Add chopped green chili, curry leaves. Mix it well. Leave it for 10 minutes. Add eno. Add some water. Mix it well. Heat the pan. Add some oil. Spread the batter on the pan. Cover and cook for 2 to 3 minutes on low heat. Pour some oil. Sprinkle few sesame seeds. Flip on the other side. Cover and cook it for 2 to 3 minutes on low heat. Fluffy and crispy Nutri veg roasty is ready. Repeat the process. Garnish it with chopped coriander. Roasties are ready to serve. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Explore and cook.